Bodyline AC Gel Scratch Repair. Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. This product can be used to repair a deep scratch quickly and cost-effectively. Begin by cleaning the repair area to make sure there are no dust particles or contaminants in the damaged area. Use a Bodyline weave pad to abrade the damaged area to ensure the area is fully keyed. Wipe the panel again to remove any particles from the repair surface. Apply Bodyline AC Gel along the entire length of the scratch. Apply a light coat of the activator aerosol. Leave for a few seconds for the activation to begin. Apply another coat of the aerosol activator. After around 60 seconds, the product will have cured for a repair of this size. Clean the area again to remove any residue from the surface. Use a P180 Bodyline grip speed strip on a dust extraction block to sand back to the correct profile. The repair will then be ready for the appropriate primer.